Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M15. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point it at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
TikTok?